Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Baldur's Gate 3 game, any kind of lagging or stuttering or the FPS drop problem. I will show you guys a very effective solution to fix this problem, so make sure to watch this entire video. Guys, first thing you need to consider that you have the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. If you have the requirement to run this game, if your game is still crashing, then this is the problem. So let's see how we can fix it. Go to the Windows side, tap here the graphics settings and open it, and here just click on the browse option and just add the game. Click on the game, click on the option, click on the high performance, so your game can use all your graphic card performance. So to add the game, click on the browse option, and here you just need to open up the folder of the Baldur's Gate 3 and just select its launcher. The best way to find the game, just go to your Steam, go to your Steam library. I don't have the game, but I will show you the solution. So just click on the game, which is the Baldur's Gate 3, and just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties. Then go to the install files, click on the browse option, and here this is the location where game is installed. Then click on the top search, and here just copy this path. Then open up the graphic settings and just click on the top and just right click on the paste and paste the path here and just hit the enter. And then here just need to select the game launcher, and once you select it, as you can see, the specified app was already added. Once you added the launcher, then click on that, click on the option, then click on the high performance. Then your game can use all your graphic card powers. The second solution is your processes are running on your PC that will cause your game crash. So right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager. You can also go to the Windows setup at the task manager and open it. And guys, here you just need to close all the background application that are useless. Then go to the startup apps on the top, and guys, these are very important. Here you just need to disable all of this application, because these applications start automatically without your permission when you start your PC, cause the lot of CPU usage, RAM usage, or the bandwidth usage. So all you need to do is just disable all of these application. If these are enabled, then this will cause your game crash. And now guys, we are going to set the high performance power plan that will increase our FPS. Go to the Windows setup, hit the control panel and open it. And here just select the view by to the large icons and then click on the power options. And here on the left hand side, you will see the create a power plan option. Just click on that and just click on the high performance, and then click on the next option, and then just create the high performance power plan. This will also fix the any kind of lag, and then we are going to increase our RAM. So you can go to the Windows side, type here the view advanced system settings, and this will show on the top. Just open it, and here you will see the advanced tab on the top. Just click on the settings, then go to the settings and click on the change option, and now here select the C where your operating system is installed. So now guys, we are going to increase our RAM. Whenever our game need more resources, more RAM to run, then our disk space is used instead of our RAM. And then you can just uncheck this box of the automatically manage paging file size, then click on the custom size. Then you can go to the Windows setup, hit the calculator and open it, and we are going to calculate the memory which we can type in the initial size or maximum size. If you have the 8 GB of RAM, then multiply it with the 1024, which is the constant value, and type in the initial size, and multiply it with the 3 and type this value in the maximum size, and our RAM is increased. If you have the 16 GB of RAM, then you can multiply the 16, which is the 1024, and type this in the initial size and multiply it with the 3 and type this in the maximum size. Then guys, just simply click on the set option, then click on the OK, then click on the OK again, then apply this, click on the OK. And now guys, we are going to increase the number of processors. Whenever our game need more CPU to run, so our maximum number of processors will be used. So this is very important. Go to the Windows setup with the system configurations and open it. And guys, here just go to the boot and click on the advanced options, and then here check this box of the number of processors and select it to the maximum. If you will see here the 8 or the 16 or the any value like the 32, just select it, click on the OK, click on the apply, click on the OK. Then after all of these settings, just simply restart your PC. This is very important guys. Once your PC was restarted, just open up the Steam and launch your game, and I hope your any kind of lagging or the shuttering problems or the FPS drop will be fixed. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.